If you are 60 or older and you receive Social Security or Medicare, there is a phone-related warning you should know about because scammers are becoming more aggressive and government agencies are changing the way they communicate with beneficiaries. But let's clear up one thing immediately. There is no blanket government rule that simply bans seniors from using their phones. The real issue is that your phone can become the target of calls, texts, fake alerts, and impersonation scams designed specifically to steal your Social Security number, Medicare information, bank details, or retirement money. And if you receive a message telling you that your Social Security or Medicare benefits will be suspended unless you respond immediately, do not panic. That sense of urgency is exactly what scammers want. A caller may tell you that your Medicare card is about to expire, your Social Security number has been compromised, your benefits are being investigated, or your account will be frozen unless you confirm your information. They may even know your name, address, date of birth, or the last few digits of your Social Security number. That does not prove the caller is legitimate. Personal information can be obtained through data breaches, leaked databases, and other sources. One of the most important things seniors can do right now is stop treating an incoming phone call as proof that the person on the other end is actually from the government. Caller ID can be manipulated. A number that appears to belong to a government agency can still be fake. A text message can look official even when it is designed to send you to a fraudulent website. And scammers can use professional-sounding language to make the situation feel urgent and legitimate. If someone calls and says your Social Security benefits are about to stop, do not give them your Social Security number, Medicare number, bank account number, credit card information, or online account password. Instead, end the call and independently contact the agency through its official website or official phone number. That small step can protect you from a very expensive mistake. Medicare scams are another major concern. A scammer may call pretending to be from Medicare and tell you that you need a new card. They may ask you to confirm your Medicare number or other personal information. Some callers may claim they can provide you with special Medicare benefits if you give them information immediately. Others may pretend to be an insurance representative and ask questions about your current plan. Remember that you should never assume an unsolicited caller is legitimate simply because they use the words Medicare, Social Security, or government. If you are unsure, hang up and make the call yourself using a trusted official source. Social Security scams can be even more frightening because the caller may claim there is a problem with your benefits. They might say your Social Security number has been suspended or that suspicious activity has been detected. They may tell you that you need to transfer money to protect your benefits. They may ask you to purchase gift cards or send cryptocurrency. These are enormous warning signs. A legitimate government agency does not need you to buy gift cards to protect your Social Security benefits. If someone tells you to move your savings into a different bank account because your money is supposedly at risk, stop immediately. That is another common scam tactic. Seniors should also be extremely careful with text messages. You may receive a message saying something like, your Medicare account needs verification, or your Social Security payment is waiting. The message may include a link. The website may look almost identical to an official government website. It may use official-looking logos, colors, and language. But the purpose may be to steal your login information. Never click an unexpected link simply because the message sounds urgent. Instead, open your browser yourself and type the official government website address, or use a bookmark you previously saved. Another warning sign is pressure. Scammers do not want you to think. They want you to react. They may say, you have only 10 minutes. They may threaten to cancel your benefits. They may tell you not to speak to your family because the situation is confidential. They may even stay on the phone while you go to your bank or computer. That is not normal behavior from a legitimate government agency. If someone tells you to keep the conversation secret, that should immediately make you suspicious. Another important phone-related issue is remote access. A scammer may tell you that they need to fix your Social Security account or Medicare information and ask you to install an application on your phone or computer. Once installed, that software may allow them to see your screen or control your device. Never give remote access to your device to an unexpected caller. If you genuinely need technical support, contact the company or service yourself using a verified number. Do not use the number the caller gives you. Seniors should also review the security of their actual phone. If your phone uses a passcode, make sure it is not something obvious such as your birthday. Use a strong passcode and keep your phone's operating system updated. Turn on automatic updates when possible. Updates are not only about new features, they can include important security fixes. If your phone supports biometric protection such as fingerprint or face recognition, consider using it together with a strong passcode. Another simple protection is to enable two-factor authentication on important accounts, especially your email, banking, and financial accounts. Your email account is particularly important because if someone gains access to your email, they may be able to reset passwords for other accounts. Your phone number can also be valuable to criminals. In some cases, scammers attempt to take control of a person's phone number through what is known as SIM swapping. They may try to convince a mobile carrier that they are you and transfer your number to another device. If successful, they may receive text messages used for account verification. Ask your mobile provider what security protections are available for your account, such as an account PIN or additional verification. This is especially important if your phone number is connected to your bank, email, or other financial accounts. Another thing to remember is that Social Security and Medicare information should not be shared casually. If a website, text message, or caller asks for your information, stop and ask yourself why they need it. Did you initiate the contact? Do you know who you are dealing with? Did you independently verify the organization? If the answer is no, do not provide the information. There is a difference between a legitimate government interaction and an unsolicited request. When you apply for a benefit yourself through an official website, you expect to provide information. But when an unknown person contacts you unexpectedly and asks for the same information, you need to be much more cautious. Another common trick involves fake refunds. A scammer may claim that you are owed money from Medicare or Social Security and that they need your banking information to deposit the payment. It sounds attractive because everyone likes the idea of receiving extra money. But the promise of a refund is often used to get seniors to reveal financial information. Never provide your bank details simply because someone promises a benefit or refund. Verify the claim independently first. There are also fake customer service scams. You may search online for a government phone number and accidentally click on an advertisement or fraudulent website. The number may connect you to someone pretending to be a government representative. This is why seniors should be careful when searching for contact information. Whenever possible, start with the official government website rather than relying on a random search result. If you receive Social Security, Medicare, or retirement benefits, it is also a good idea to review your accounts regularly. Look for unexpected changes, unfamiliar activity, or communications you do not recognize. If something looks wrong, investigate it quickly. Do not wait for the problem to become bigger. If you believe you have given personal information to a scammer, take action immediately. Contact your financial institution if banking information was shared. Change passwords if login information was exposed. Monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. Report suspected fraud through the appropriate official channels. Acting quickly can reduce the damage. Another important warning is fake government websites. A website ending in a familiar-looking name does not automatically mean it is legitimate. Look carefully at the address and make sure you are using an official government website. Do not enter your Social Security number or Medicare information into a website simply because it has an official-looking logo. Scammers are very good at copying legitimate designs. They can make a fake website look almost identical to the real one. This is why the safest habit is to navigate to the official website yourself. Now, there is another reason this phone warning matters for seniors. Many older Americans receive important information by phone, text, or email. That means completely ignoring your phone is not the solution. You do not want to miss a legitimate message about your health care, benefits, or appointments. The solution is to become more selective about what you trust. An unexpected message should not automatically be treated as legitimate. A legitimate notification should still be verified before you provide sensitive information or make a financial decision. You can also ask a trusted family member or friend for a second opinion if something feels suspicious. There is nothing embarrassing about asking for help. In fact, taking an extra few minutes to verify a message could save you thousands of dollars. If a caller says, "You must act right now," your best response may simply be, "I will contact the agency myself." Then hang up. You do not owe an unexpected caller an explanation. You do not need to stay on the phone to be polite. Protecting your personal information is more important than being polite to a stranger. And if the caller becomes angry because you want to verify the information, that is another reason to end the conversation. Real government agencies understand that people need to protect their information. Scammers want you to feel rushed. Remember that difference. Seniors should also be cautious when friends or relatives forward alarming messages. A message can be shared hundreds of times and still be completely false. Before forwarding a warning about Social Security, Medicare, or a supposed new phone rule, check the information through an official source. Do not let a dramatic headline make you panic. This is especially important when the message claims that millions of seniors are about to lose their benefits. Those messages are designed to generate fear and clicks. If a major change actually affects your benefits, you should be able to verify it through the appropriate government agency. Another good habit is to create a simple personal rule. Never make a financial decision during an unexpected phone call. If someone tells you to move money, purchase something, provide a password, or give personal information, tell them you need time to verify it. A legitimate organization should not require you to make an irreversible financial decision within minutes. If someone insists that you cannot hang up, that is a major warning sign. Hang up anyway. If you are helping an older parent or family member, talk to them about these scams before something happens. Do not wait until they have already received a suspicious call. Explain that government agencies can be impersonated and that caller ID cannot always be trusted. Give them a simple plan: stop, hang up, verify. That three-step habit can be extremely powerful. Stop when the request feels unusual. Hang up instead of arguing with the caller. Verify through an official source. It is also worth keeping your phone contacts organized. Save important, legitimate numbers yourself so you do not have to search for them during a stressful situation. But remember that even a saved contact does not guarantee that an incoming call is legitimate, because scammers can manipulate caller identification. Use the saved number when you call the organization yourself. If you receive an unexpected message about your Social Security payment, Medicare coverage, or retirement account, do not click first and investigate later. Investigate first. Your benefits are important, but your personal information is also valuable. The real danger is not that your phone will suddenly become illegal or that seniors will be prohibited from using phones. The real danger is that criminals can use your phone as the doorway to your identity, your benefits, and your savings. That is the warning every senior should take seriously. If you receive Social Security or Medicare, make this one of your financial safety habits. Never give sensitive information to an unexpected caller. Never click suspicious links. Never install remote access software because a stranger tells you to. Never send money to protect your benefits. Never purchase gift cards because someone claims to be from the government. And never allow urgency to replace verification. Take your time. Check the official information. Talk to someone you trust if you are unsure. Your Social Security benefits and Medicare coverage are too important to risk because of one phone call. If this warning helped you, share it with another senior, parent, grandparent, or family member who receives Social Security or Medicare. One conversation today could prevent a serious financial loss tomorrow. And remember, when your phone rings and someone says your benefits are in danger, you do not have to panic. You have the right to hang up, verify the information yourself, and protect your money first.